Just have a little listening as they pull through that, and you'll hear the soft sounds of the formation loop. And they make it look so simple, but of course the work is all on the outside of that formation. And the stick changes and rudder changes much more subtle and more demanding. The leader just making sure that he keeps the trajectory on a very, very safe path, enabling them the ability to maneuver around it. So having completed that, they go out to the left-hand side. Meanwhile, 4 and 5 pulling up in front. They've all flown with a number of different teams and aircraft in the past, have done the most terrific job over, well over 20, 30 years, some of them. There have been a few changes as well in the mixed formations over the years. But here now, passing from left to right, the cycler. And former fast jet pipe in the Royal Air Force. Got well over 5,000 hours, probably nearer 6 by now. Multiple tours on the Tornado and an instructor on the Hawk and the Glock Tutor. Based alongside many of his colleagues down at St Appin in South Wales.